I have found a brilliant business idea that will make you $500 a day. The good thing is you need no investment or high-end skills, and it is so easy that anyone can do it. Want to know more? Sit tight and watch till the very end, because you don't want to miss any of the steps to success. Let's talk about how two free tools, Canva and Printify, can make you so much money daily. Printify, the method I'm about to share with you, is highly profitable with little to no effort involved. You just have to make a design for a product once, and then you can potentially make hundreds of dollars a day in passive income. Designers have earned up to $700,000 using this money-making technique in just their first year. That's how much potential there is. Now, let's talk about how this cash cow business works. The platform you will be using for this method is Printify. Printify is a print-on-demand platform that lets you create your own custom product designs and sell them for profit. The best part is that Printify handles pretty much every single thing on your behalf. You don't have to buy inventory, deal with customers, send out orders, or do any of the grunt work associated with running an online store. All you have to do is design your custom products, market your store, and count all the money you will be making. Here is how this money-making method will work. You will create an account on Printify, which you can easily do by going to printify.com and clicking the sign up button in the top right corner. Select the products. Once you have your account set up, you will need to create a catalog of products. First, you will select blank products. There are tons and tons of options to pick from. Printify offers a clothing line including hoodies, sweatshirts, t-shirts, baby clothes, and tank tops, among other things. You can also sell your own tumblers, mugs, canvases, scented candles, vinyl decals, and much more. So making a whole catalog won't be a problem. Design. You are not going to sell just generic blank products with no brand. Instead, you are going to personalize each product to your own design. That's because Printify lets you upload custom design graphics for the products you wish to sell on your store. Making the graphics is not going to be too much of a hassle. You will only need two tools. The first is Canva. Canva is a platform that lets you create all kinds of designs for free. The user interface is super simple, so anyone can create professional designs using this tool. You just have to drag and drop pre-made elements and adjust them around to make a design. Now, many people like to add quotations and phrases to their designs, and that's where our second tool comes in, ChatGPT. Thanks to AI, you don't have to come up with those on your own either. Just go to ChatGPT and give it a prompt like, "Give me some attention-grabbing quotes that I can use in my novelty product designs for birthdays." ChatGPT will then give you some pretty nice quotes you can use in your designs. You can, of course, customize this prompt to fit your needs, but you get the idea. I will link some tutorials on making good product design graphics in the comment section below, so be sure to check those out. I suggest that you pick at least 10 different blank items from Printify and create designs for them when starting your store. This way, you will have a good number of items to sell and market. The more products you have, the better. Even if one flops, another one may take off. After all, you are not holding any inventory or spending money on materials. Printify does all that for you. There are no downsides here to making a large catalog. You can specialize in one type of product, like clothes, or go for diversity in your store. Your call, but as long as what you create is unique and good, customers will like to buy it. If you have enjoyed the video so far, please drop a like to show your support. Also, be sure to subscribe to the channel for more future content like this. Publish. With your store catalog at Printify ready at hand, you are ready to hit the market. Printify provides two ways for you to sell your custom designed products. The first is on the Printify store. You can share the link to your store with your customers, and they will be able to buy the products you have made on printify.com. Although this method maximizes your profits, as you don't have to pay any additional fees, there is a slight problem. Printify is not as well known as some of the other marketplaces online, so the natural customer traffic would be low, which is why I recommend the second option. That is linking Printify with a more popular third-party online store. This includes Shopify, Etsy, Walmart, Squarespace, and Wix, among other popular stores. Printify integrates seamlessly with these platforms, and then you can take advantage of the features of both Printify and the third-party marketplace market. You can rely on the organic traffic your store can get in online marketplaces like Shopify and Walmart to make sales, but it is much better if you market your products and your store to drive up those sales as much as possible. That will give you the best chance at reaching the $500 a day goal. There are many ways you can market your store. You can link it to your following on social media platforms or advertise it in YouTube videos on your channel. You can also start a blog and link your store in there, or send out mass emails to potential clients. If you have money to spare, you can even run ad campaigns. The more you market your products, the more sales you will be able to make. That's why a good marketing strategy is the backbone of your Printify store. How much can you make? Now that you know how you can set up your own Printify business, you must be wondering how much this venture can really make. Well, your profits will depend a lot on what you are pricing your products at. Printify has a really handy calculator on their website that shows how much you can expect to make from a product. If you sell a product for $25, you are getting around $15 in profit. If you sell 30 of these a day, you can expect to earn around $14,000 a month in profit after paying Printify's fees. That is $450 a day. You may not start out selling 30 units a day, I know, but you can definitely get there with the right marketing approach. And then you can blow past it once the momentum gets you going, earning thousands of dollars a day. That's because this business model I have shared with you is highly scalable. Do you think you have what it takes to make a successful store on Printify? Let me know in the comments section below. Also, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, great miner, why don't you watch another money-making video?